Now I don't really have any kind of measurements to give you guys that making this dust cover. One of the reasons is it depends on your miter saw, and also it depends on your bench. This particular piece I'm using here is from a sheet of 4x8, I think it was. I've already cut some pieces off for the workbench. Okay, here I'm using the drill on one side and the sander on the other, basically because they're both heavy pieces of kit. Just using them to hold the cardboard in place while we do a quick fitting.
Hey, by any chance, have you seen the lid to that smoothie cup?
Yes.
Go by, oh.
I meant to bring it in last night, I forgot. Okay, here guys, I'm just cutting out a little piece so that my dust extraction hose that connects to the saw can go through the hood. There you go. You see what I mean? I mean, obviously you might not have to do this. It depends where your hose comes through. The gaps there I'll just seal up with a bit of tape or something like that later on. But this is what it looks like, both sides. Now these two pieces, we're just going to measure them up. These are the pieces that are actually going to be holding the hood in place, because this is all we need really. Cut them down to size, drill and screw them into place. Now I'm putting them on the inside of the hood because I think it looks better that way, but there's nothing to stop you putting them on the outside of the hood. It's totally up to you guys. Okay, we're fitting them into place. We're still going to use the drill for the weight of it, just to hold it into position while we put the first screw in on each side, and then we'll move them out the way and screw through to the rest of the base. Okay, in a moment guys, you'll see that I did actually cut out some cardboard pieces for the front, and I've only taped it on with blue tape just so that if I need to, I can remove it so that I can do like bevel cuts or whatever. But it does help with the dust. There you go, there's the finished product. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.